Tap the Settings button in the upper right corner, then navigate to the Resource Management page. Here, you will see all of the game's resource files divided into 3 sections. Each section contains its own resource modules, and from here you can choose specific resource packs to download or delete. Tap the Download button to start the resource download. Your download status will be displayed in detail. Tap the Delete button to remove unwanted resources. Be sure to check the before and after prompt before deleting resources. There is also a Do Not Delete option for resources of content you own to minimize the impact on your game experience. To get a better understanding of each module's resource size and their impact on game experience, tap the top right corner to view more details and find the best balance between storage space and game experience for you. In addition, we've also updated the download status display on the main interface. The new display has improved icons and descriptions for resource checks, download progress, and other related info. You can also open the resource management page directly from the display.